In this video, we'll show you how to make a cotton rope bowl with Ravenox cotton rope. For your project, you will need 1/2 inch twisted cotton rope and a cotton thread to finish the project. The length of the rope is going to be 28 feet. Take one end of the rope and make a pretzel shape as seen in the video. Pass through the left side of your loop and again on the right side of your loop. Now continue to weave over, under, until you have a shape kind of like in the video. Make sure to keep your weaves tight, and as you add more rope, begin to shape into a bowl shape with your hands. Continue weaving through until there are no more gaps in the bowl. When you are done with the bowl shaping, find an area where you would like to cut the rope. Using your cotton thread, wrap tightly and tie it off before then cutting the rope to length with scissors. Tuck this cut end into the bowl and fasten with glue or thread. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and are now enjoying your new cotton bowl. Great for home decor. For more tutorials and other DIYs, visit our website at ravenox.com.